How to fix iCloud is not syncing all of your photos. So if you're missing any of your photos in your camera gallery, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing we need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone, click on Wi-Fi, and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Now once you've done that, come back over to the previous window, click on your profile name at the top of this page, and then select iCloud. Now click on Photos from the list of options, make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on and enabled, and you'll see next to Status it will say Syncing. Now before you can see all of your iCloud photos on your phone, you need to make sure the photos are fully synced. Now this can sometimes take up to 12 hours depending on how many photos you have to sync. So what I'd recommend doing is just leaving your phone on charge overnight and waiting for all of the photos to sync to your device. Now if it's still not working, you'll need to click on Manage Storage. Now from this window, just make sure you have enough storage space on your device. If you're running out of storage, that will be the reason why some of the photos are missing. Now you can click on View iPhone Storage, and if you need to free up any space, then you can do so from here. Now if it's still not working, head back over to your settings and click on your profile name. You can then press iCloud and once again click on Photos. You can try turning off Sync this iPhone and press Remove from iPhone. You can then go and press Remove. Once you've done this, turn back on Sync this iPhone and then press the Sync Now button. You can then press Resume Syncing and once again just wait for your photos to sync together. Now if it's still not working, you may need to go and sign out of your iCloud account. You could then sign back in and that should have fixed the issue where your iCloud photos are not syncing.